Okay, just to end the video, or the third part of this video, I actually use my serpentine belt tool. You can see right here, I basically put a socket at the end of it, and then I have a lot of leverage to pull on it. So if you pull on it pretty far, since the belt is fairly new, it's a little bit tight to get on. Like I said, it only took me a few minutes to get it on, and it wrapped around the power steering pump. So as a summary to this, basically, you just need a ratchet to take it off. You pull on it, you pull it off at the power steering pump, and then after you install it, you basically install everything around all the serpentine pulleys, along with the idler pulleys, along with the tensioner, and then you finish it right at the power steering pump. So everything is all said and done, and the belt should be good to go. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll surely answer them for you. Toyota seems like a pretty easy vehicle to work on. And I'd recommend it to anybody, even though this is my first one. Thank you. You have a great day.